What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Adobe with the ticker symbol ADBE. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. In the poll that I sent out yesterday, Adobe is in the lead at 31% of the votes with a total of 99 votes total in the poll. Vanguard Growth ETF is second, tied for second with Coinbase, and then Boeing and Shopify are in fourth and fifth respectively. So thank you for taking part in this poll, and keep you guys updated if I send out any more. So let's go ahead and take a look at this chart. So it looks like Adobe's been selling off after making this price target. It's kind of like the $700 psychological resistance level, and also there's a measured move that prices ended up right there. I'll show you guys that right now. You can see that since March of 2020 there was this one straight leg up, a sideways correction, and then price action was in the formation of the second leg. And if I just drag this measured move over, you can see that that's exactly where the top is. So that's not random. A lot of people look for these measured moves to take their profits and when to come in the market with sell orders, and pretty much that's exactly right where prices started selling off. I have my measured move just drawn a little incorrectly, so if I just drag it a little bit lower, you can see that's it fits even better than what I have right now. But anyway, it's very, very close to the measured move, so that's why we started selling off. A lot of traders look at this and it just becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. And then we sold off because also there was a break of the channel and a move to a new high, so that normally marks the end of the uptrend. You can see that right here. If I just drag this up, you can see that there's about 3 touches on the lower side, 2 to 3 touches on the lower side. Let me just fit this a little better. So that fits decent, not the best. And then there was a break outside the channel, and we did not get a move to a new high yet. Prices sold off back in October, and then it just created a V bottom, reverse, made the new high, and then could not trend much higher than the 675 level, made the measured move, and started to sell off. So now we just sold off. Price action created a large gap, and we're far away from the EMA. So where does it look like price action is going? It looks like it's coming back to test the breakout level of this previous range. You see that price action was moving sideways inside of this range. So that's where I believe it's headed next, to test the breakout level, because it doesn't look like it was tested before. So my target for this company is the 513 to 518 level, so right around there. I don't know if we're gonna get there in this week or next week, just because we are super extended from the EMA, even more than this before, and that led to a huge reversal. We could get there if they want to really sell this market hard, but maybe we might get a small little bounce or a sideways correction, maybe something like this, before continuing lower. But I don't see any bullish signs as of right now, but it looks like they can continue to drop this market lower because of the reasons I outlined. We had a measured move in place, so that can lead to a major correction, especially if it was a really big one like we had since last year. And also there was a new high in place of the uptrend channel, so it looks like it wants to correct lower, probably possibly to the 513 level, and then from there we're gonna have to see if we get some type of support. If not, we might even fall lower, but that's even if we get there at all. But I think there's a high probability that they want to pull back to this level just because of the technicals and the overall bias of the market. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So here we have the weekly chart for Adobe, and you can see that pretty much the stock has been in a bull market since pretty much 2013, 2014. Just been going up and up. If I get in a little bit, zoom in a little closer on the chart, you can see the range more clearer. You can see that these were the highs of the range. If I just drag it across, and these were the lows. There was a failed breakout right here to trap in the shorts, trap out the longs, and reverse the market strongly. And now it looks like prices are coming back to test the breakout. That usually happens about 90% of the time. So that's why I am confident that we will reach this price level. Is there opportunity for the market to continue to trend higher from here? That's a possibility. There looks like it could be a spike in channel in play. Maybe. Not a strong one, but it looks like there could be a possible spike in channel in play. If I just drag this up, you can see that the green spike channel and this yellow flatter channel, because price action is found resistance at the upper side and the midline is acting as both support and resistance, so it fits nicely. The only thing is we didn't get the third touch yet, so it's hard to say if this is a valid channel, but it looks like it fits. And if we did come up from the upper side, most likely prices are headed to the lower side. And exactly, that's right where the breakout level is of the range, and that's where my target is. So there's a lot of confluence for me to believe that we are going to continue lower, and my target is the low $500 level. And we're gonna have to wait to see if we get some type of bounce or what type of candlestick pattern or pattern they they do over here before I change my bias. But as of right now, it looks like they want to pull back to the upper side of this previous range breakout, which is right around that between the 510 and 515 level. So I think that's what they're headed for in the short term. So that's all I have for Adobe. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver good content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.